You're watching Jack PM. Alright, vacation's over, back to work. We're putting down sheet vinyl in apartment number 3. What I've been doing is slowly rolling it out and then cutting as I go. That way there's no seams. Also, one thing you need to remember is there's door jambs. There's doorways that you have to, that go in a little bit from this wall. So you can't cut it out. You can't cut the sheet vinyl flush with this wall. It goes in a little bit there. I don't know if I'm explaining that very well, but that's important. I made that mistake before. So I'm just slowly rolling it out and cutting as I go. That's where I'm at. Getting her done.